Hey everyone, so I'm going to be stuffing my wallet today. I'm going to be stuffing $650. Well, $550 is going to go into my wallet and $100 into a sinking fund. So let's get started. So me money is going to get $100. That's going to be a 50, two 20s and a 10. I just try to have a reasonable amount of change in the event of. So yes, I already have money in my me money and I'm going to contribute more because I'm still feeling my way through cash spending. So let's see what we have here. I have 50, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 210, 220, 230, 31, 32, 33, 34. So I have $234. So I am currently adding cash, $100, and I have $234. So far, so good. I did really good with my weekly spending this week. Okay. So dining out is going to get $50, and that's going to be two 20s. And a 10. And I did spend exactly that amount. I did not go over. I only spent what I allotted. So I am depositing back $50 into my dining out. And this balance can fluctuate based on my budget and how much I want to contribute. Ramadan is coming, so I don't see really using dine out that much. I'm going to keep my Ramadan sinking fund in here just so that I have money on hand. Car maintenance is going to get as usual $10. This is for tips at the car wash. So I am just going to add that in. And I don't usually write my expense trackers. I can actually just do that after the fact, to be honest with you. Okay. Gas is a sinking fund. So I am going to give $30 to gas. I really don't need that much in gas, but I did budget to give $30 for gas, so I'm going to do that. And let's just count and see what we have in gas. I'll update the expense tracker later. So in gas, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 170, 180, 190, 195, 96, 97, 98, 99. So gas is a sinking fund, and it takes approximately like close to $100 to fill my tank up. Gas is very expensive nowadays. So I'll update my expense tracker later. Groceries is going to get its usual $250. So let's see. 50, 100, 150, 200, 250. And that's going to go into groceries. Okay. Next is household. Household is going to get $50 as well. And I am just going to put a $50 bill in household. Miscellaneous is going to get $10 because I do have my buffer envelope now that I do have money built up from the money I didn't spend for the previous week. So that's that. Sedefit is going to get $50. So that is going to be 5 10s. It's the month of Ramadan. 10, 20, 30, 40. Something is wrong. Car maintenance was supposed to get, I'll just put the 2 5s. So let's see. 10. What is that? Giving? Let me add that in. I'm sorry. So I'm adding $50 into giving. So now we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So I have $100 in giving. This is Sadaqah. So I need to have this money on hand. Okay, and buffers is actually the money left over that I did not spend from the previous week. So I rolled $85 into my buffer envelope. Now I'm going to keep that in my wallet as a buffer for this week's spending. I will see how it goes. Back to bank is money that I spent on a credit card. I took the money out of the cash envelopes. This money is going to go back to bank, and that is $46. So my wallet is stuffed. There you have it. And she is thick. These will be released soon in this color orange, and I have other colors coming as well. So I can't wait to show you all that. Now, Selfie is going to get $100. This is a sinking fund. This is a self-care envelope for myself. I do have a hair appointment coming up. I have nothing in here, so I'm going to put $100 in here so that I can make sure I have the money to spend when the time comes to go to the hairdresser. So, and that is it. I stuffed my wallet and I tracked my spending. Bye.